Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Swati. Are you spending lots of money to salons on doing your pedicure? Why spending that much of money to salons when we can do our own pedicure at home? Tutorial on how to do pedicure at home with the ingredients which we have at home and shine our feet. Let's go!
Firstly, wash your feet with warm water and then take a nail paint remover and a cotton ball. Take a little bit of cotton, dip that into the nail paint remover and then wash off. Clean your nail paint with that cotton. Clean very nicely. Here I am wiping it off all my old nail paint with the cotton ball and nail paint remover. Wipe it off first and then we can start our pedicure process. Now take a tub where you can put your both the legs inside and fill it with warm water and add salt to it. 1 spoon of salt and then add half a lemon to it. Add lemon and mix it really well and also add 1 spoon of baking soda to it. Add 1 spoon of your favorite shampoo, whichever shampoo you want, whichever shampoo you have at home, and then mix it really well. Mix all the water really well. The bubbles will come out of water and now it's time to put your legs in. Put your legs in and feel the warmth of the water. It will be very relaxing for your legs. Keep it for a few minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes, and relax yourself. You can feel the dirt coming out of our legs into the water. Now you can take off your legs and wash your legs. Use the same lemon which you have squeezed in. Dip it in a salt and then start rubbing it on your feet. Like rub all the areas, especially on the areas which are little bit darker than the other, and rub nicely so that the salt and lemon mix together and the dirt from your legs have been taken from the salt and lemon. Now rub it nicely with both the legs and then it's time to put your legs in the water and then wash it off. Wash your legs and let them dry. Now take your pedicure tools. Now that you have soaked your legs for so long, all the dead skin will come off easily. Take your pedicure tools and nicely take off the dead skin from your feet. See how I am taking off the dead skin from the feet. Continue this process. Now it's time to apply pack for our feet. Take curd, plain curd, and then start applying on your feet. Keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it dry a little bit and then you can wash it off. Now dry your feet after washing off, and then it's time to moisturize our feet. Take any moisturizer you have at home, need not be the same one which I am using. Just moisturize your legs nicely. Now our feet are ready, nice and clean. It's time to apply a nail polish. If you don't want to apply nail polish, it's fine, just leave it. You can see the difference on your feet. I want to apply nail polish. I always prefer light colors, light pink here. And then we are done. Now look at the difference on my feet, how shiny and moisturized they are.
Thank you guys for watching. I really can't thank you enough. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Comment below in the comment section if you want me to do more on any of the other topics related to beauty. See you guys later in the next video. Love you.